Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to purchase a domain from Godaddy. Buying the right domain name is the first step to building your online business. Let's get started. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to google.com. The first thing we need to do when we are in Godaddy is to create our account. Once we are ready to create the account, we fill out all these forms. Let's proceed. On the main page of Godaddy, we select Domains in the upper left part. We click the ... to see more options for our domain. Since we are searching for a domain, we click Search Domain. Here, we can choose the domain name we want. We can select from options like .com, .org, .net, or others. Once we are done, we just click the Search button. In this section, we choose the domain we want, and the corresponding price will be displayed. For example, there is a .ph option. Here, we can see the prices from lowest to highest. We choose the domain we like. Once we choose a domain, for example this one, we add it to the cart. Once it's added to the cart, we review our cart and then continue to checkout. In this section, we can customize our purchase and confirm what we are going to buy. After that, we just continue. Then we choose the payment method, either PayPal or another option, and get ready for checkout. Once we are done with this, we just hit OK and get ready for checkout. When we are ready for checkout, the payment will be deducted from PayPal or the selected payment method, and now we will have a domain in our account. That's how we purchase a domain from Godaddy. Once the domain is registered, we are ready to connect it to our website or hosting.